Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to part two of that radio series about the different radio stuff you guys can find online. So, we were like in the middle of talking like about the radio reference platform. Now, radio reference, you guys have to know what state you guys are in to even know about it. And then after that, once you guys know about it, you guys can go type in your zip code and sometimes on the FRS and GMRS radios, you guys can pick up like like number one, like the different local businesses sometimes use those. Because down there at Box in Bedford, they use like the different radio frequencies there. Now, now also, also let you guys know that there is like so many like different radio stuff you guys can like look for. Like while I was down there in the proximity of like Terre Haute, you guys can listen to like their little simulcast. You guys can like listen to their fire countywide dispatch, their countywide response. Right now, you guys can listen to like the radio frequencies in the different districts. If you guys are up there in the big areas. Like up there in Indianapolis, they have like four different districts. They have they have like like number one, like like number one, they have the downtown district, which is right here. That's how big that district is. Then after that, they have the North District, they have the South District, Southwest, Southeast, Northwest, Northeast. Those are all their districts there. Now, now up there in Fort Wayne, they their police is completely encrypted. So that means you guys cannot even listen to that one. Now, now, now up there in like the different areas, you guys can go like look around like the different radio stuff. But there is like so many like different stuff. You guys can go like look around and act like you guys are saying, "Hey Tommy, why in the world are you talking about the different areas in Indiana?" I'm just wanting to get you guys like a basic rundown of like up there in Toledo, a central dispatch. They have like the central sector, south sector, and they are all connected by a P25 phase 2 system. And and then after that you guys have like radio systems like like different places in Indiana. They have like four different radio systems. They usually have like an LTR in Bedford. They usually have like the United States Department of Defense. They usually have like some kind of utilities you guys can listen to. But be aware, some of those utilities are probably like analog. They're probably like DMR. They're probably like NXDN, and they're probably like encrypted somehow. Because some people do not like to listen to like encrypted stuff. Now, now just to show you guys, this is what Kyle Grogy's camera looks like. And also, if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button and that notification bell, because we will be all over talking about the different areas. Kind of like we will be talking about the Cleveland area, we'll be talking about the Buffalo area, we'll be talking about the New York City, Portland, Los Angeles, all of them. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up and make sure you guys watch part 2. I'm at part 1 of this video and part 2. Alright guys, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video.